you looking to make money online? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this video, we delve into the realm of making money online realistically and for free. Our primary goal is to provide you with genuine insights and practical methods to earn money through online platforms. It is essential to approach this topic with a sense of realism and information, setting the tone for managing your expectations effectively. We emphasize the significance of being cautious when encountering extravagant claims of quick and easy money-making schemes, as it is crucial to discern between false promises and authentic opportunities in the online sphere. Paid surveys can be a convenient option for those looking to earn some extra money online, serving as a good starting point for supplementing income rather than a full-time source. Reputable survey sites like HeyPiggy and Prime Opinion offer opportunities for individuals to participate in surveys and get compensated for their opinions. The process of getting started with paid surveys is relatively easy and quick, making it accessible for anyone interested in earning money through this method. User testing is a lucrative method to earn money online, with the potential to earn well for short tasks such as $10 for just 10 minutes of your time. By joining multiple user testing platforms, individuals can increase their earning potential and make a few hundred extra dollars per month. Engaging in user testing not only offers a financial incentive, but also provides a fun and straightforward way to earn money, making it an attractive option for those looking to supplement their income through online activities. Freelancing emerges as a viable method to generate income online without any initial investment, although it demands dedication and effort to establish a sustainable source of revenue. Setting prices competitively, crafting a compelling profile, and nurturing client relationships are crucial steps in the freelancing journey. While freelancing has the potential to yield a substantial income, it is essential to acknowledge that success in this field necessitates patience and persistence, as building a solid reputation and client base takes time and consistent effort. Data entry jobs present a promising avenue for individuals seeking to earn income online, catering to those looking for either additional earnings or a full-time income based on their preferences. These jobs can be conveniently performed from home and span across a wide array of categories, offering flexibility and choice to prospective data entry workers. While data entry tasks are often perceived as straightforward, it is important to recognize that achieving substantial earnings in this field demands a significant investment of time and effort. By dedicating the necessary commitment and diligence, individuals can leverage data entry jobs as a reliable source of income, aligning with their financial goals and work preferences. Affiliate marketing emerges as a compelling avenue to initiate an online business, offering individuals the opportunity to venture into entrepreneurship with relatively low initial investment costs. While affiliate marketing can be commenced inexpensively, it is crucial to understand that it's a long-term strategy that demands consistent effort and dedication to yield significant results. By embracing affiliate marketing as a business model, individuals can leverage it as a means to augment their income through complementary methods such as surveys and user testing, thereby expanding their revenue streams and enhancing their financial prospects. in the digital landscape. In conclusion, the video underscores the significance of managing expectations and maintaining a realistic outlook on the potential earnings from online endeavors. Viewers are encouraged to delve into the various methods discussed in the video, tailoring their approach based on individual goals and preferences to optimize their online income generation. To further engage with the content and continue exploring valuable insights on making money online realistically, viewers are prompted to take action by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and delving into additional content available to enhance their understanding and proficiency in the realm of online income generation. But first, you are probably asking, how? Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action.